It's on already. Come on, Lauren. Bases loaded. No outs.
The sun is getting hot.
What? Just press the button.
Keep your head.
You just did, Cody.
Don't worry!
No. Ooh. Come on, Lauren.
All right, Lauren, you got a good one. Just like you know how, Lauren.
Come on, with smiles, come on.
Go hit him, Lauren. Go hit him.
No, back.
Good job, good job. Good job. You go, Ashley.
Why didn't you send Lizzie? Why didn't you send Lizzie?
You gotta get out of the outfield. Out of the infield. Let's go. Come on, 4.
Come on, Gabby.
All right, Gab.
Hit it first.
Come on, Gabby. Does he even know how to take it?
Cody, stop. Stop.
He does.
Good job.
Crush it. Come on, Gabby. Get someone home.
Can't leave him on the bases.
Gabby!
Go, Liz.
She didn't mean it.
Hit her bat.
You have to swing up a half-inch drive it somewhere.
Tag, go. Run, Lizzie. Run. Nice. Go. Woo!
All right, PJ. Come on, Pete.
Come on, girls. 2 outs. Come on, PJ.
Hey, good job. Hey, relax. Nice, relax.
Come on, Peach.
Take a deep breath. Drive the ball in the zone.
Who got hurt?
Need ice? Does he need ice?
Let's go, kid. Let's have fun with this at bat.
Dog fight? Distraction. Come on, PJ.
Embrace this. Let that ball in half. Come on.